Looking for an alternative to a traditional business loans? If you need to invest in new equipment, technology, machinery, or office furniture, consider a business equipment loan instead of a traditional bank loan. As a small business, cash flow can be tight, making it challenging to reinvest back into your business. While small investments are easier to access, upgrading high-ticket items such as equipment can be more challenging to budget. Taking out a traditional loan is one option, but if you carry a significant amount of debt, have poor business credit, or lack the collateral to qualify, the odds of approval are low. Even if you have open lines of credit, you may want to keep them open as a safety net. So, it's time to explore your options. Increase your approval rate with an equipment business loan. Approval rates for equipment business loans are significantly higher than traditional bank loans, as Pro Business Loans utilizes the equipment you purchase as your collateral. We're also a direct lender, so we cut out the middleman. You'll need to be in business for at least 2 years to qualify. Simple application process. Instant approval. Funds in 3 to 5 days. Flexible terms. High approval rates. What can you use your equipment loan for? While you can only utilize your new working capital for equipment, you have plenty of options, including either new or used, office furniture, industry-specific furniture, computers, digital signage, technical gadgets, smart office gadgets, vehicles, machinery, industry-specific equipment, and more. How much can I qualify for? Apply for a small or mid-size business cash advance that can be utilized specifically for new or used equipment, ranging from $30,000 up to $2 million depending on your revenue over the last 2 years. Our process is fast, easy, and flexible. What are the benefits of upgrading your equipment? 1. Purchase the equipment required to streamline internal operations. 2. Invest in higher quality equipment to ensure you remain competitive. 3. Grow your business by investing in equipment for new products or services. 4. Free up other lines of credit while minimizing the negative impact on your cash flow. 5. Spread your investment out over the next 2 to 5 years instead of paying up front. 6. Take advantage of equipment tax benefits such as writing off your loan interest. Who can apply for a business equipment loan? Pro Business Loans does not approve equipment loans for non-profits or adult content providers. Otherwise, if you've been in business for over 2 years, you are welcome to apply. Restaurants, hotels and motels, salons and spas, medical practices, liquor stores, retail stores, dental practices, automotive shops, construction companies, high-tech offices, and more. Access your funds as soon as this week. Your application will require information from any owner who owns more than 10% of your company. If you are applying for more than $150,000, additional information will be required for approval. Once approved, you can access your funds in as little as 3 to 5 business days. How do I access my equipment loan? Unlike traditional loans where you are provided a lump sum of money up front, this loan works a bit more like an open line of credit. Determine what equipment and technology you need from a variety of suppliers, and your funds are paid directly to the vendor or private party seller. What if I don't spend all of my loan? It's okay if you don't spend all that you are approved for, but your interest rates between 6% and 20% are calculated by your loan amount. Although your interest is a tax write-off, the interest is still a percentage of your monthly payments. So, be strategic and map out your purchasing plan before you accept the final loan amount. Can I apply for a second equipment loan once the first is paid? Yes. Once you see how easy and efficient it is to access the funding you require to update your equipment, you may want to apply for a second loan once the first loan is paid off. In fact, in the digital age we live in, the 2 to 5 years it takes to pay off your first loan may leave some of your equipment dated or obsolete. So, you are welcome to apply again. While we can't guarantee repeat approval, it's to your benefit if you've already completed a successful loan with Pro Business Loans. What to do with your old equipment? This is entirely up to you, but even if it's dated, there is sure to be a buyer out there for your old equipment. At the very least, donate old equipment as a tax write-off. Ready to apply? How real-life companies have used their pro-business loans. Since you can only use your loan for equipment, you may be wondering exactly how to utilize your working capital. Here are a few examples of how real-life pro-business loans clients have used their alternative funding. Remember, you can apply to pro-business loans for between $30,000 up to $2 million so that you don't deplete all of your cash. Restaurants, cafes, coffee shops. Delivery and takeout kept your business alive, but COVID hit the food industry hard. To provide customers with the peace of mind to dine in, consider utilizing your loan for upgrading to new tables and chairs that better fit your new social distanced layout, or to stylize your restaurant now that you are no longer using cloth tablecloths. Adding additional food-grade partitions in the dining room, serving area, and kitchen. Adding additional hand-washing sinks for employees and customers. Adding custom-designed UVC lighting above each table to filter the air. Upgrading to touchless doors, faucets, toilets, soap dispensers, and paper towel dispensers. Upgrading to wireless power transfer to keep your new touchless technology charged. And more. Trucking companies, logistics companies, warehouses, factories. Online shopping skyrocketed during the pandemic and has now become habitual. This left many warehouses, factories, trucking companies, and logistics companies experiencing rapid growth while others struggle to stay afloat. Consider utilizing your loan to upgrade your fleet and or add additional trucks and semis to your fleet, all of which can be equipped with advanced logistics technology. Upgrade to employee notebooks, smart technology, machines, and equipment to streamline and optimize operations. Upgrade to wireless power transfer, so that you don't have to worry about charging your touchless technology or battery-operated monitors and sensors. Refurnish and rework the layout of your plant or facility to optimize operations, or because you've expanded to a new location. Invest in new equipment and machinery to better serve current clients or expand operations to serve a new industry, and more. Office buildings, high-tech offices, co-working spaces. Even if your office continues to allow employees to work from home part-time, your employees want the peace of mind that you are doing everything you can to keep them safe. Also, consider upgrades that will ensure you remain competitive in your industry. Use your working capital to invest in smart office upgrades such as new servers, notebooks, laptops, computers, smart furniture, WPT charging, digital signage, conference room, AV systems, smart boards, IoT gadgets, solar panels, and more. Upgrade to touchless doors, sinks, toilets, soap dispensers, sanitizer dispensers, thermometers, paper dispensers, and more. Upgrade to the latest industry machines and equipment to ensure your team maintains a competitive edge. Invest in new desks, chairs, office furniture, and work pods to refresh your look and feel and or to socially distance your office, and more. Hotels, motels, salons, spas need to prioritize sanitation throughout, particularly in shared-use beds, tables, equipment, and amenities. With an increase in extended stays, hotels need to offer more on-site amenities. Your funding could be used to add on-site amenities so that guests don't have to leave, including a juice bar, coffee shop, cafe, outdoor patio, co-working space, etc. Upgrade self-care and wellness services by adding float pods, LED wellness treatments, anti-aging equipment, and more. Consider adding UVC lighting in hotel and motel rooms, spa treatment rooms, above treatment tables and chairs, and strategically throughout common use spaces. Upgrade to touchless doors, lockers, sinks, sanitizers, soap dispensers, paper towel dispensers, toilets, etc. and more. Retailers, boutiques, liquor stores, specialty stores. You've likely upgraded your online sales and have begun offering pickup and delivery. But as customers begin to shop more in-store, it may be time for a few upgrades. Consider using your alternative business loan to reconfigure your brick-and-mortar location to maintain social distancing, streamline the flow, and make pickup of app or online orders fast and easy. Add LED screens internally and externally For both marketing and communication, create a more immersive shopping experience with AI and VR mirrors and screens. For example, to try on clothing or accessories virtually. Upgrade to touchless technology. Assign employee notebooks. To minimize shared use. Wireless power transfer. Digital labels. Modern sanitation and air filters, etc. Upgrade your warehouse or shipping center to keep up with your increase in online sales. And more. Dentists' medical practices, physical therapists. Customers come to you for their health and wellness, and they expect a safe and sanitary environment. Consider using your funds for upgrading your telemedicine technology and remote diagnostic tools. Investing in on-site diagnostic tools to minimize out-of-office appointments, strategically placing UVC lights and machines throughout your facility. Upgrading to waiting room furniture that is easier to clean and sanitize. And more. Construction companies. Give your construction team the connected devices and upgraded machinery required to succeed. Improve safety and communication and streamline operations with essential equipment upgrades. Increase productivity, minimize maintenance costs, and expand your building potential by upgrading your excavators, cranes, pavers, bulldozers, crawl loaders, dump trucks, and more. Upgrade every gadget and machine you use to a smart and connected alternative. Minimize risk and improve worksite safety by upgrading to advanced monitors, sensors, and connected machines that automate safety alerts. Provide your team with on-site notebooks and satellite phones to stay connected even in the most remote of locations. Invest in remote area terrain vehicles, an on-site emergency medical truck, mobile kitchen, bathroom facilities, and employee amenities. And more. Ready to apply? Steps to apply for your alternative business loan. Step 1. Go to probusinessloans.com and click button Apply Now. Step 2. Fill out your information on your working loan application. Fill out information pertaining to you and your company information. Step 3. Upload your 3 last month's bank statements. Step 4. Sign your first last name. Step 5. Scroll to the bottom of the application. Click on Submit button and wait to receive your instant approval. These are the steps to be applying for your alternative business loan. Now that you have a better idea of how you can use your alternative business loan, we invite you to apply now. Apply now to obtain your alternative business loans at probusinessloans.com. Like, subscribe, comment, click on the notification button and be notified on our next upcoming videos. Share our video with your business owners' friends, and let's everyone help each other obtain their alternative business loan. Apply now to receive your instant approval and let's get funded today.